Alright guys, we have Tony's Deep Impact Blue S550. It's a 2015 50th anniversary appearance package on it. And we repainted his front bumper and had to blend his driver fender because he was in a hit and run. So we got that taken care of, and Tony went ahead and ordered brand new upper and lower RTR front grills. So these things are sweet. I had no idea what they look like until I took them out of the box, and I am in love. They are awesome. So they're awesome, and we're going to show us putting them on and then putting the bumper cover on, and we're going to deliver the car back to Ohio. So let's just get started. Raise that up for us. Look at that. That is awesome. The fitment is just like Ford. I mean, it fit perfect. RTR is actually a really good brand. All their stuff, I really never heard any complaints, but these newer bumpers, you know, just kind of some of that aftermarket stuff just doesn't want to fit, and they actually put a lot of time into it, and it just snapped right in. A couple of them were, you know, I had to hammer a little bit with my fist, but tap it or whatever in, it's pretty good. But just a heads up, for any grill, any year, any make, any model, if you put a little bit of soap and soapy water on the tabs in the back, they will go on and come off so easy. So if you've ever taken a bumper off with these tabs, like I said, on any maker model, you know they can be a bitch. So a little soap and a little water, and it'll make your life much easier. That looks really cool from the back here. It does. So I love that. Damn, I love that. It honestly gives it an old muscle look. Yep. That is awesome. I can't wait to put it on. So now we got to put the 5-mile-an-hour impact bar behind it, little plastic piece, the fog light bezels and fog lights, and then one headlight in, and we are set. We just installed the freshly painted bumper with the brand new RTR front grills, and it looks crazy. I think it looks like a Shelby. It is awesome. Highly recommend getting these. I love the look of this S550 now. Also, I didn't show you guys in the beginning of the video, we added some wheel spacers in the front and the back, and we did the Roush or Steeda lowering springs. So we installed them off camera. So front and rear lowering springs to level it out, and then we did the wheel spacers front and back, and then I also painted his Brembo brakes in the front performance red, so they just look hot. So he also has the red shift knob to match. So I know it's all jacked up right now, but this thing's sitting very nice. 50-year package. They have the chrome around the tail light lens like this. Pretty neat. So anyway, we're gonna get it back on the ground, and then we'll show you a walk around. I just wanted to show you guys with the brakes off though, or with the wheels off, so you can see the brakes. Alright guys, it is 6 a.m. We have Tony's car here. We're going to go to Brent's house and get the truck and trailer and load this up. I just want to do one last walk around before we deliver this back to Ohio today. Painted the front and rear brake calipers and lowered it. Look how nice it's sitting. It's on Roush springs, or Steeda springs. Is it Steeda or Roush? And with those wheel spacers, it just makes it fit perfect. One finger, she's tight. About 1.5 in the front, so it's like perfect. That front grille is like my new favorite for S550. Then we repaired and blended this fender as well. So we're gonna go load this up, head towards Cincinnati, and we're gonna meet up with Tony at his work. Give it a little rev. So we'll be back. Alright guys, that's wrapping this video up. Subscribe and like, and stay tuned for more. We'll see you guys soon.